Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In here, I want to explain about tools. 1. The ball pen hammer. After the machinist hammer is a very useful tool aboard ship. The head of the hammer is made of hardened steel. The handle is of hickory of other hardwood. The flat portion of the head is called the face, and the other end is known as the pen, the latter being used for heading rivets and similar pinning or drawing operation. The hole for the handle is the eye. One pile hammer or glass according to the weight of the head without the handle. They vary in size from 4 inches to 2 ounces, their popular size being the 6 ounce for light work, the 12 ounce for general utility, and the 60 for heavy work. 2. The strike pen hammer is used for spreading or drawing out metal in line with the handle, while the cross pen hammer is used for the same operation at right angle with the handle. The claw hammer is used for drawing and pulling nails. Hammer with heads made of soft material, such as lead, copper, babyit, rawhide, wood, plastic, are called soft hammers. Soft hammers are generally used where a steel hammer might mark or injure the work. Never work with a hammer having a loose head. A loose head will eventually off and may injure someone. When using a hammer, it should be held near the end of the handle with the face of the hammer parallel to the wood. A grip just tight enough to control the blow is best. Keep the handle and the hammer handle from grease and oil, otherwise the hammer may slip from the grease. It should also be remembered that oil or grease on the hammer face may cause it to slip off the wood and lead to painful bruise. Do not ruin the hammer handle by using it for pounding or prying purpose. Sleds or sledgehammer are used for heavy work. They can be procured in both single phase and double phase types. Double phase sleds being so in fact and vary in weights from 4 to 3 pounds. Screwdrivers have 3 main parts: the handle, which grabbed by the use, the shank, which is the steel portion extending from the handle, and the blade, which is the end that fits into the slot of the screw. The standard screwdriver is used for most ordinary work and comes in a variety of sizes. The blade must have sharp corner and fit the slot in screw closely, otherwise it likes to slip and damage the slot. It's also important that a screwdriver is held firmly against the screw, prevent from slipping and injuring the worker or the work. 2. The offset screwdriver makes from possible tight corner where the strike type will not enter. It has one blade forged in line with the shank and the other blade at right angle to the shank. 3. The Phillips type screwdriver is made with specially shaped blade to fit Phillips type cross slot screws. The heads of the screw have to slot across in the center. This screwdriver to slide off of the slot onto finished surface on the wood. The ratchet screwdriver is used to drive to remove small screw rapidly. Some screwdrivers have handle made with insulating material and are useful when electrical work is being done. When the screwdriver with an insulated handle is not available, the handle of screwdrivers can be insulated by wrapping them with tape. Pliers. Set counting pliers are used principally for holding and bending the materials or for cutting wire. Adjustable compound pliers have a slip joint that permits the jaw to be opened widely and for gripping the matters. They are used principally for holding and bending for round stocks. The various lengths and shapes of flat nose, round nose, and handle nose or long nose pliers makes possible to bend form material variously shapes to hold object in tight spot and to make delicate adjustment. Needle nose plier for helpful when recovering a washer or nut from a place where it's hung to reach, avoiding use plier on hard surface. As use dull the teeth and cause plier to lose their grabbing power. Do not use plier for loosening or tightening nuts, as the flats nuts will become damaged. Diagonal cutting pliers have short jaws with blades at slight angle. As this tool is valuable when removing and replacing counter pins and be used not only cut the pins the desired length but to spread the ends after the pins are in place. They are also handling for cutting the software which is passed through small holes in nuts and bolt heads to safety them or prevent them from working loose when diagonal cutting pliers are used. The cut should be made with stroke of the jaws, not with the points, as the latter use will increase the tendency of the jaws apart. Once the jaws are sprung, it is difficult to cut fine wire. Wrench. Fundamentally, the wrench is a tool for exciting twisting strain as the turning bolts and nuts. As the majority of nuts, the bolt heads are hexagonal or 6 sides. Many wrenches are specially designed to fit hex head and hex nut. Open end. Wrench solid, non-stable wrench with opening in one both end called open wrench. Open the wrench with small opening are usually shorter than wrench with larger opening, thus proportioning the lever advance of the wrench of the size of the work and helping to prevent breakage of the wrench or damage to the bolt or stud. Adjustable wrench. A handy all-round wrench for like from in the adjustable open end wrench such as shown in fact. One jaw of this wrench is fixed. The other jaws move along a side with screw adjustment the angle between the jaw opening and the handle being 22. An adjustable wrench will not stand the hard usage of the open wrench and must be used very carefully. It's important that jaws closed and just fit to nuts, and I will set use so the first the pull comes the solid or stationary jaw. Box end wrench. Some box and wrenches have 6 inside face or nuts, but most the 20 nuts wrench being known as 12-point double hex box wrench when using box and wrench and their instrument room to turn the wrench in a complete circle and necessary to flip off after it's full and to place the back end on another position. And this case, therefore, after a tight knot started, I can often be inserted much more quickly with an open and wrench. Socket wrench. 2 typical one-piece socket wrenches are shown in. There are heavy-duty wrenches made for inside face for square nut with 6 inside face for hex nuts. This type of socket wrench, however, does not have wide adaptability of the handle. Socket wrenches I set which contain an individual socket of various size made to fit different handle. Torque wrench. One type of torque wrench is shown in. This tool is used a socket wrench and the other to exert the desired amount of strain when tightly and nuts and bolt. As the torque wrench is pulled, the skull of the other tools indicate how great a twist or torque is exerted, and the pull is continued is unitary riding rate. This is very important in many cases, enabling work and tightening bolts and crankpin bearing, for example, to the exact tension expressed by manufacturer in the engine, and to make sure that cylinder head nuts are evenly indexed according to instruction. I think enough. Thank you.